Okay, guys, let's get started. So in the last session, we tried to do the kiosk device setup, but that did not work because we had chosen kiosk browser, right? So let's
Right.
go to the configuration in the device section. Go to devices first. Yes, configuration. Kiosk device configuration. So error. Okay. Let's click on. Okay. So let's click on this. Go down till the bottom and change the setting. Yes, edit. So if you are using Kiosk browser, right, then you have to have Kiosk browser installed already on that device. Got it? Understood
And
or
what
not?
is that kiosk browser? I don't
You
understand
have
this.
to you have to download and install that one Kiosk browser on that device.
Okay.
Then only it will
Okay.
work. Is that clear? So instead of using Kiosk browser, let's try Edge browser. Okay, so add Microsoft Edge. Edge is already installed on that browser, right?
Yeah.
On that computer. Now let's give the link of any link. Make my trip or something.
Last
Mm.
time we did this. Make me IT expert.
Yeah, copy that and okay. Below you have public browsing. That's okay. Then you have refresh browser idle. Give 1 minute. Review plus save. Save. So how did you log into the device with other user?
With other user, right? If I restart this system machine, then it will again go
No,
directly to
no.
that auto login.
How did you log in? Did you get any option to log in with other user?
Yeah, it is saying that you go to this keyboard and press insert control or delete. Then after
Okay.
pressing it will give me the option for other user.
Okay. Fine. Now,
If I go
so
again, yeah.
you need to synchronize the policy. Let's synchronize the policy. Let's install Kiosk browser as well. I'll show you how to install Kiosk browser in case if you would like to go with Kiosk browser. Let's go to Microsoft Store application, the Windows Store application down at the bottom in the taskbar. You have the Store application. Mm. And you need to search Kiosk browser. Oh,
There is some kind of policy, I think.
okay. So the policy is blocking this. So go to the Intune portal and deploy Microsoft, I mean the Kiosk browser from Intune to this device. Apps, then Windows, then add, then choose the first
So
option. Mm, yeah, click select. Now search Kiosk, search Kiosk. First one.
first one, you don't.
Yes. System, choose system. Scroll down, next. So we will deploy in required mode, forceful, okay? Let's click on add group and choose your Windows 10
Device.
device. Select, next, finish. So Kiosk browser, you can install like this, on the target device. Now let's go back to the device.
Syncing.
Scroll up in the policy section. Do you have Kiosk here? Click on show more. Kiosk browser, you see, that's the policy. But in this machine, Kiosk browser is not yet installed, right? So,
Yeah.
let's, however, we have changed that to Edge browser. So it will not go to the Kiosk browser, it will go to the Edge browser. But this is how we install Kiosk browser, okay? Let's close, go back to setting. Click on back on the top. And click on this and again connected. Info and synchronize. Now click on create report down at the bottom, create report. We would like to see whether policy applied successfully or not. Click on export.
User public document.
Okay, so it has exported the report in C drive public folder. Let's go to C drive. C drive, user, public, document, and then MDM, and then double click on this, open this. Yes. Now search kiosk. Did you find it?
KIOSK. Yeah, here it is configure kiosk mode. No, something
Hmm. Configure. Okay, how many? There are
five.
five. There are five
This one.
kiosks are there. Kiosk browser. Yes. So this is the one which we have configured. Blocked URL exception no. Right. Blocked URL no. Enable end session default 0. Default 0. Okay. Fine. Uh, let's click on search. Click on search again. Find. Hit enter. Okay. Restart idle time 1 minute. Right? We have given 1 minute. Again, hit
Yeah,
next. Default
make my
URL
trip.
make my. Okay, so it's still going to the make my trip one, the old one. It's
Right.
not going to the new one. Uh, make me IT expert, right?
So policy is
So
not
the
updated yet.
policy is not applied yet.
Yeah.
Let's click on the next one again. Okay, cancel that. So synchronize the policy. 7:14.
Done. Yes.
Okay.
Mm. It is already showing.
Sync again. Hmm. Is the Kiosk app browser installed? Can you search in the search box? Kiosk browser.
No. What is this? Setup of Kiosk assigned
No,
access.
no. That's something else.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go
Still
back.
thinking.
Let's go back to the Intune portal and take a look on the Kiosk application, whether it is applicable to properties. Have you applied it properly or not? Let's take a look. Go down till the bottom. Yes, you have deployed it to Windows 10 group. So Windows 10 it is part of that group, right?
Right.
Okay. Go back to Windows 10 machine. No, go back to the virtual machine.
Okay. Sync is done.
Sync and then create report.
Okay.
Have you clicked on sync?
I have created a report. Okay. Go on. First click on sync,
Yeah.
then create report.
Yes. Wait. Okay.
Hmm.
Now create
Create
report.
report.
Yes. Now double click and open this report. Kiosk. Search. Again, one more time. Okay, make my trip. Okay, so it
Mm,
is still going to the old URL,
yes.
right? Hmm. Okay,
But we have changed that policy, from Kiosk browser to that this one
Edge browser.
Edge browser.
This should go
That's why
away,
it's not
right?
a big.
No, this should go away, right? Okay,
Okay.
fine. Let's also Kiosk browser installed or not yet installed? I don't think it is installed.
Checking.
Mhm. Let's restart this machine.
Okay.
Just click on File on the left top and close. Power off. Power on again.
Yes, I think it's updated.
Okay, so it's now going in the Edge browser. Previously, it was taking you to the Kiosk browser, and Kiosk browser was not installed in your computer. That's the
Right.
reason it was failing. Okay, so now this takes you to Make Me IT Expert website. So this type of setting, when do we do? Suppose, there is an organization and people are coming to fill up the form, or, um, you know, on railway station or airport, right? So we can have kiosk kind of setup wherein user can get some information from those devices. You can also try, if you wait for like 1 minute, automatically this website will refresh. Okay, because
Right.
we have
Okay.
given 1 minute of time. Okay, so this will, if you're not using, if you're not using this computer, um, the it's idle, right? It is gonna get refreshed. Plus, if you end session, for example, if you try ending the session at the right hand side top, you have end session. It will again take you back to this website. You cannot close this website. Try clicking on end session. Hmm.
Yeah.
See, it is taking you again to the same websites. Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly, you can do it for applications. Let's say some applications, the moment the device will come, the application will run first in the backend. Okay. And nothing else will be shown up. Only that application screen will show up. Okay, understood the concept, guys?
Yes. How do we come out from this? Like, do we need to restart or what?
How do we come out of what?
This like end session is again like coming on this.
Yeah, it will
You
not,
want to log
it
into the
will, you want to log into this machine. You can't log in now because it's the kiosk machine
policy.
now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you will have to remove the policy from there.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
from
Yeah.
Intune portal, then you can, go back to the machine again or use
Okay.
the other account to log in. Okay, all good,
Yeah.
guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna share my screen with you guys. So let me know when you see my screen. Okay,
Yeah, we are
you
able
guys
to see
can.
it.
Okay, so I um, tried installing this MacBook. Okay, but that could not complete. Okay, but I'll show you the process how you can install MacBook on your Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so first of all, you have to uh, download the ISO image file, the operating system image file, which I downloaded. I'll show you. I downloaded in D drive download folder. This is the one, Mac OS Ventura ISO. Okay, so I'll give you the link from where I downloaded. Now, how do you install Mac OS? You need to click on new and type in the name of the machine. For example, MAC VM001. Okay, that's the machine name. And where would you like to save the machine? I would like to save it in D drive instead of C drive because I don't have much space in C drive. So virtual machine. Okay, let me delete this folder first. Okay, I'll create a new folder. MAC VM001. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. Now let me add the ISO image file. So other Ventura. Okay, so that is the ISO image file for MacBook, right? and type macOS and version 64. Let me go next. Now you need to give minimum 4 GB RAM. I'll give 5 gigabyte, 5120. And processor, 3 processor or 2 processor is minimum, but I'm giving 3 processor, okay? Next. Let me give more RAM, okay? So for example, I'll give 8192, 8 gigabyte RAM, okay? And 4 processor. Next, uh, 80 gigabyte or 60 gigabyte. Let's give 60 gigabyte, okay? Next and finish. Okay, so this is how you set up the machine. You need to make some changes now. So you need to come to the setting and then display. You have to increase this to 128 megabyte. Okay, display setting, and you need to check this box, enable 3D acceleration. And you need to go to the USB and choose USB 3.0. Okay, or you can go with this one as well. That's
I
also
want to do
okay.
that. I'm not even studying. I just
Plus,
okay.
I'm getting background noise. Okay. Um, plus network. So I'm going with network NAT. In case if you would like to add a backup network. So let's add a backup network like bridge connection and choose the Wi-Fi connection. So this is my um, Wi-Fi connection. So I'll leave that as it is. Okay. Now click OK. Once it is done, you need to close this. Okay. And open command prompt with admin CMD, run as administrator. You have to make some changes. Okay. Now what changes you need to make, I'll tell you. Okay, so you have to run below commands. Okay, CD. First, you have to go to the directory, and then you need to run all these commands. But you have to make sure the name of the machine is, you need to replace the name of what is the name of the machine I have chosen. I have chosen the same machine, MAC VM001. But in case if you have a different machine, then replace that. For example, if you have two, right? MSc VM002. So change it to 2, right? All of them below. There are multiple commands here, right? You need to change each one of them. Now let's copy. I'm going to copy them and right click. Okay. So this is how you execute the commands and close this. That's it. I will send you this command as well. Now you need to launch Oracle VirtualBox again and power on. Oh, it's going in a loop actually. It is
Hey, Kashif,
yes. I'll send you the
I
video
wanted
how
to,
to
I
do it.
wanted,
Yeah, go ahead.
I wanted to ask, I wanted to ask you that the command line file, the text file that you actually copied to the command line, did you copy it on the command line on the host machine that is hosting the virtual machines, or you copied on the virtual machines
Which
command
one?
line?
These command lines?
Yes,
I did it on my laptop host machine.
on the host, the lab, the one that is hosting the virtual machine.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I'll send you the YouTube video, guys. Okay. You can go through that. So you can build a Mac operating system on your machine and then enroll that device into Intune. So how will you enroll? You need to download company portal from App Store and then enroll the device. It's a simple process. Okay, guys, clear? Now let's talk about the certification. So MD101. Okay, MD101 is the exam which you need to take to become certified. Okay, so MD101. So MD101 exam. Wait a minute. MD101 exam. One minute, guys. Sorry, it is MD102. I was confused. Not MD101. So this is the one, Microsoft 365 Certified Endpoint Administrator Associate, right? Here we have, you see, prepare for exam, right? And you have various details about it, right? Practice for exam. So better you go with this one. Take the practice assessment, right? Oh, let me sign out and sign back in with my other account. Use other account, kashiflive.com. We will send a verification code to this to verify. Okay. Okay, so the practice assessment, you can take a look. There are 50 questions, as you see, 50 question. So this is for your practice. You can try this one. Um, you know, so it is, as if you are doing the live exam. So it's a similar pattern. So you have a Microsoft 365 E5 subscription. You plan to deploy and enroll the following devices into Microsoft Intune. Device 1 is Windows 11, device 2 is Windows 10, third is Android and iOS. You configure an enrollment status page, ESP, named enrollment 1. Okay. On which device can enrollment 1 will be displayed during device provisioning? Which device, guys? 1 and 2, right?
1 and
Only
2.
for Windows. So device 1 and 2 only. It will not happen on Android and iOS. Check your answer. You see, it is correct answer. Okay. Next. So you can, read the question and then try answering the question. For example, I randomly choose something, I don't know, whether it's correct or wrong. You can check your answer. It will give you it's incorrect, and it will also give you the information that why it is incorrect. I mean, the one which is correct, so it will give you the information about it. Is that clear, everyone? So take this practice exam before you take the actual exam, MD102. Okay. So now the cost of this exam is around MD102 exam. How much? Yeah, 165 US dollar. Those who are in US or Canada, Australia, If you are in India, it is going to cost you 4,800 plus taxes. So 4,800 plus, it will go up to 5,500 maximum. Okay. But in case if you are planning to take the exam, let me know. I will help you with the exam. Anyone who is either you are from US or India, you let me know. I will help you with the exam. Okay. Understood?
Okay,
Yes,
Kaushik.
Okay. I will send you
Yeah,
the
thank you.
I'll send you the sample resume and
Okay.
interview question and answer plus materials which you can download and the study materials and dumps as well. Then exam dumps. Okay. So
Okay.
those things I'm gonna send you. Plus, I want you guys to send me your legal name so that I can print the course completion certificate for you guys and send it to you. Send it to you.
Okay. On WhatsApp group,
Yeah,
legal
on
name.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
sure, Kaushik.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any
Okay,
question?
Kaushik.
Uh, yes, there are questions. Quite right. In the process of we trying to, because there are some of the assignments that we haven't really completed, maybe because of one or two things and so on, because we're planning to, for one, I'm planning to devote more time on speeding them up and so on and so forth. So if there are some, if in case need assistance in one way or another, are we allowed to contact you for that?
Yes, yes. Anytime. Yeah, that's not a problem. You can message me on WhatsApp
Okay.
if you have any issues or if you would like to sit again to the session. So let me know. I will let you sit again. Okay.
Okay. I wanted to find out, when are you starting the SCCM training?
After 2 weeks
Okay,
in the
from now.
yeah, so hopefully first week of um November or last week of October.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
sure. I'm sure the trial subscription that I mean, as we subject, I mean, we subscribe to
Okay.
will be
Good.
expiring.
Yes.
Will be
So
expiring. If we need to, we need to get a new subscription. What are your advice? How do we go getting it? Do we need to get a new credit card before we get that done, or what?
Good, you remind me. What you have to do, you need to go to admin .microsoft.com, and then inside that you need to go to billing and then your products and take a look on. You see, for me it is expired, right? I cannot extend this one. Oh, I have option to extend. Okay, so if it is giving you this option, let's extend this one. Trial extension are for 30 days and you can only extend the trial once. Okay, so I'm going to extend this for another 30 days. So, but make sure you cancel your subscription before the end date. So end date is 10th of November. Okay, it is going to get expired on 10th of November. So I will cancel the subscription on 9th of November so that I don't have to pay anything. Okay. So I have
So the
extended this
only
one.
drawback, the
Mm.
only challenge for it is if you do not cancel it, you will start to bill.
Yeah, it will start charging you. So make sure you cancel the subscription. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I
Kashif,
have already
for
extended this one, so I cannot extend this anymore. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Kashif, do we need like this subscription for real exam or
For
it's not required for like actual exam for MD102?
license, no, license is not
It's
needed
not
for
required.
exam. No.
Okay.
Okay. So in case if you are planning to take the exam, you let me know. I'll guide you. Okay.
Okay.
I'll need to
Okay,
take
guys.
that exam in the next couple of weeks from now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will let you know how you can process with the exam. Plus, I will send you the dumps, exam dumps, other study materials, and sample resume, interview question and answer. You can download them. Okay, and start applying for Intune related jobs, guys. Upload your resume on various job portals like Naukri, Monster, Dice, Indeed, whatever the leading job portals are there in your region. Upload your resume
Many
there.
jobs, many jobs that are coming, they are coming with Intune and Intune and SCCM. Lot of
Intune and
jobs that I
SCCM
find
admin.
these
Okay.
days.
So yeah, so I will send you the
SCCM and
resume.
Intune,
Yeah,
SCCM and Intune.
I will send you the resume which has SCCM and Intune skills.
Hello, Kashif.
That's correct.
Yes, hi.
Good evening.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
It's been very difficult on my side during the session, but I thank God I was able to join this last one. I had some few questions,
Mm-hmm.
and the first one is like you were talking about the resume and like preparing for interviews. I was just
Your voice is like, a little bit breaking up.
so I was asking about jobs. So what percentage of assignments are we supposed to finish before we can say we are comfortable to go into the job market?
Job market, sorry, your voice was breaking up. What was your question?
She is
So
asking, she is asking that from the training that we have covered, like what
Uh,
percentage of that training that we need to master to be able to be ready to start applying for jobs.
okay,
right,
so you can put somewhere around 2 years or 3 years experience in your resume. I sent you the resume right now on the WhatsApp group already. That's a sample resume, okay, which has skills of SCCM and Intune together. Okay, so you can change some of the things there and put your details. So in that one, you can add like 3 years of experience on Intune, okay, and apply in on the job portals. But the the only thing is you have to, I don't know whether you have completed all the assignments or not.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so make sure you complete all the assignments and practice for one more month, until your subscription gets expired, because you still have 30 days, guys. So use that one and uh, apply and start attending for job interviews. Okay, clear?
Okay. Thank you.
Kashif,
Kashif,
like,
with this scenario-based questions means there will be like whatever we done. Is that feasible for that one? Means, is that good, or we have to get some more knowledge?
Scenario, that comes on experience, so I have in that interview question and answer, you will get the scenario based question as well. Plus the dumps, what I am gonna send you, that also has the scenario based questions. Okay, but
Okay, okay, thank you.
so start attending the interviews, at least 5-6 interviews. You will get idea and you will get selected in any one of the interviews. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay, guys. Any other question before we wrap it up?
Do
yeah,
you
Kashif.
have the scenario-based questions on SCCM also? If that also has included, that will be helpful.
Sorry.
Questions on scenario based on the SCCM. Yes.
I
Just
think yes.
working
I
on
will
one.
send. I'll send that to you.
So, Kashif, how
Thank
much
you.
like knowledge is required for SCCM? Oh, like for the if we are going for the interview for Intune.
Okay. It depends on company to company. Suppose if the organization is using SCCM a lot,
Okay.
right, and Intune little bit, so they need more. They need a candidate who has more knowledge on SCCM and little bit knowledge on Intune. So depends on the vacancies, what is the job description.
Okay.
So, but most of the company is already migrated to Intune. Okay, so the good part is, even if you don't have SCCM knowledge, that's okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
for, in general, I'm talking about in general. If you don't have SCCM, I mean SCCM skills, that's okay. They are gonna rate you on Intune skill only.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but if the vacancy is for SCCM and Intune admin, so like 50-50%. You should know SCCM, you should know Intune, both of them. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys. Any other question before we wrap it up? Okay, guys. So
Which channel?
yeah. Huh?
Which channel are we going to maintain the WhatsApp group for
Yes.
engagement with you, or
Yes. Keep that
which
WhatsApp.
which
I'll keep that
channel?
WhatsApp on. I'll not delete that WhatsApp group. And I will also send you the bigger WhatsApp groups. You can be a part of that one, wherein you have like 300 people. So you can also be a part of that one. Okay. So in case if you have any question or issues or challenges, you can post
Yeah,
your,
please add into the sheet.
yeah, you can post
Please.
it in
Yes.
there. Okay, guys, I think
Okay.
I tried my level best to, explain the things properly. But you have to at least practice for one more month, 30 days. Um, go through those videos again. Try to complete all the assignments which are still pending from your end, and you will be good to go. Okay.
Okay, Kashif.
Okay, Kashif, thank you.
Okay,
Thank
guys.
you. Yeah.
Thank you
Thank you.
for joining the session. I hope the sessions were informative, and we'll keep in touch. Okay, guys?
Okay, Kashif. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Kashif. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you,
Thanks.
guys. Bye now. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye.